Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to go on another adventure today. Today's adventure, family bird hunting. You ready, Addie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Landon's over there. Mama's here eating a snack. So we're getting ready to go out. I don't know how it's gonna go today. We're not gonna go far from home. We're definitely gonna make some memories. That's what we're really out here for today. And hopefully in the process we get some birds. So we're planning on having a good time. So let's get out there and see what we can get. How many birds are we gonna get today? 2? Well, hopefully we get 2. Let's see. I'd be happy with that. Never head into the woods with an empty tank. Always fill up. Thankfully, I'm like a quarter of a tank down, so this shouldn't be too expensive. Hopefully not. And I always like stopping and getting gas because it's a great opportunity to make the wife happy.
Why?
Why?
Why would I be happy?
By emptying the trash.
Yeah.
By emptying the trash out of the vehicles.
That does make me very happy.
Hey, buddy. You ready to go bird hunting? You ready to go get some birds? Let's go get some birds. I gotta clean the trash out. That's how we make Mama happy. Do you have trash?
No.
Trash right here. Hey, I found a snack. Found a fruit stick. Always fill your vehicle up and always fill yourself up. So you know what that means? Next stop, Dunkin'.
Yeah.
What are you
Yeah.
gonna get at Dunkin'?
Yeah.
What are you getting?
A donut.
A donut? Okay. You never want to go into the woods with an empty fuel tank or an empty stomach. You want? You know what they say? America runs on Dunkin'. Hi, can I get a coffee cake muffin? Thank you. All right, we're there. We are at the place that we're gonna be riding the roads. Landon's ready to find birds. You ready, buddy? Addie's already looking for them. You find any?
But I didn't.
You didn't? Okay. Addie's back there looking. We're gonna get riding. We're gonna see if we can find any. We just crossed paths with someone that was coming out and they said that it is packed up in here today. They said there's people everywhere. They said it's really busy and they just had only seen one bird today. But nonetheless, we're out. We got the kids. We're just out with the family, having a fun time. So either way, it's still going to be a good day. Hopefully we get at least one, but we'll get driving. We'll probably find some roads. We'll try to walk and stuff, and we'll see what we can come across and hopefully not get skunked.
Hey Landon, look for birds, buddy.
Is that just a picture of me?
It's a video.
It's a video?
Hey buddy. You finding any birds, Landon?
Not yet.
You finding any birds? And that's really good woods over there. Better watch that closely. See if you see anything. They blend in well.
Looking, buddy? You wanna look?
Okay, let's go and go for a walk.
Yeah.
All right, we just got out, we parked, found a place where we can walk. So we're gonna just do a little bit of walking. Hopefully we'll find some birds. If not, we're gonna have a good time either way. So, got a helicopter checking on us. So we just found this place right here to park. We just came up that road,
Yeah.
parked here. We can walk up there,
Yeah.
and we can walk up that way. So hopefully we don't come across any other people, but we're gonna get walking, see what we can find. Addie's ready to go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
ready.
What do you got on? What are you wearing?
Earmuffs.
Earmuffs.
Ready to hunt.
You ready to hunt?
Yeah.
Nice. Landon, you ready, buddy? I think yes. Look at this. We brought the jogging stroller with the oversized tires. Off-roading. Mama's ready.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's go. Okay, we'll go this way first.
Are you ready to hunt, bud? Are you? I'm sure she said yes.
Okay, Addie, you can walk.
I got you. Alright. Ready to go. Step right up. And back.
Okay, we're just gonna stop here. Look at this. Addie, it's our first bird. Yay! Landon, look at this. Look at this, buddy. We got a bird. Whoa. I want to get
Can
blood
I
on me.
touch it?
Yeah. What do you got?
Bird.
Nice. Can you show it to me? Hold it up for the camera.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Huh? Well, we took a nice little walk and we got one bird. And Landon's back here chowing down. You hungry, buddy? Addie, you still doing good back there?
Yeah.
You still doing good?
Yeah. I'm just talking about my birds.
What are you doing?
I said, I'm talking about your bird that you shooted.
Talking about the bird I shooted?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna eat it.
We're gonna cook it and eat it?
Yeah. What are we doing? 75408910. Daddy, so let me touch them.
Are you okay, buddy? Kids aren't always happy. You smiling now because the camera's on you?
No.
Chewing his fingers, he's got a runny nose, cutting some molars, he's got swollen gums. Poor guy's having a miserable day bird hunting. You finding any birds, Addie?
I'm finding birds.
Watch out for the branches.
I will. I'm just finding birds if you can shoot any.
Okay, if you find them, I'll try to shoot them.
Okay. But why is that tire? Why is that tire by a tree?
I don't know, honey.
Well, somebody took birds here.
Yeah.
I find them. You shoot them.
You find them, I shoot them. We're back to the main road, huh?
Yep.
Which way are we gonna go? That sounds good to me. Let's go that way.
Yep.
That's the way you want to go, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
To shoot some birds.
We're gonna try. Let's see if we can find some more.
I'll get them away.
All Addie wants to do is grab leaves off the trees when we go by, huh, Addie?
Yeah.
Are you looking for birds anymore?
No, I'm trying to pick leaves and put them in the water. But they look back. CJ.
How's it going?
Good. Why is that a beaver dam?
It's a beaver dam.
For what?
I'm gonna go take a look at it.
Okay. Can I come with you?
You wanna come with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it a beaver dam? Not any beavers, but I can't see any.
Can't see any beavers?
No. Watch me jump in that.
It's just crazy here where the beavers have dammed up this water. And I don't know if you can really see it that well, but like right here, there's probably about a 2-foot wall of just wood and everything, sticks, but it's pretty crazy. All that they've built up all along this whole edge, and it's right to the point of it's gonna actually start coming up over the road.
I'm picking up what is buddy for the ice. Oh. Thank you, buddy, for the ice.
No. Stop putting mud in your mouth. Oh, that's gross, buddy. Yucky, yucky.
What are you doing, Addie?
Throwing rocks in there.
Sometimes bird hunting's tiring. I don't even know what I'd do if I saw a bird right now. I don't even know how I get out of the truck. All right, well, we wrapped up a day in the woods bird hunting with the whole family out there. Addie, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a blast, huh, Landon? You're doing better now, buddy. Now you gotta get a nap. So we just got back to town. On the way back, we just stopped at our land, and Addie and I are gonna go out and sit in the blind for just a little over an hour. We got just over an hour left of daylight. So we're gonna sit, hopefully get a deer. That's the goal. We're gonna try Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Addie, you ready? Come over here. You ready?
I'm in.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get a deer.
Yeah. We have to be very quiet. Papa's blind.
Yeah. We gotta be very quiet.
Go up there and shoot here.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go get in the blind. Well, we just finished up. We didn't see anything, but Addie did a really good job. She was nice and quiet.
Yes.
For your first time out? Yeah?
Yeah.
You were nice and quiet. You sat still. You did forget to whisper a couple times. But we had fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
Maybe next time. Okay.
Okay.
Time to go home. Eat some dinner.